official draw for 11 a.m. March 25, 2015. Okay, sir. Ato sa i-test ang ato ang mga balls, no? But prior to that, i-try na to og magnet kung okay ra ba, wala ba yung mga kuan. Okay, ang screw, i-magnet na. So, i-magnet. Now, sir, let's proceed to the official ball. Ball number 1. Okay, wala. Ball number 2. Okay, ball number 3. Okay, so wala mga metal na nakasunod sa ato ang mga official balls. This is ready for our official draw. Now, sir, please load the ball number 1 to chamber number 1. Ball number 2 to chamber number 2. And ball number 3 for chamber number 3. Now, sir, palihog pag-press the start button. Then release the ball. Okay, let's play Peryahan Lucky Tres. This is the official draw for 11 a.m. March 25, 2015. So, sa imuhang 10 pesos nga matagtaya, we can win 5,000 pesos. So, in few seconds, no, ato na masayran ang ato ang official result for 11 a.m. March 25, 2015. Peryahan Lucky Tres. Okay, so, sir, palihog ug basa sa ato ang first digit number.
Number 5.
Okay, number 5. The second digit.
Number 9.
Number 9. The third digit.
Number 3.
Okay, number 3. So, the official result for our 11 a.m. March 25, 2015 draw is 593. So, usbon ko 593. So, palihog, usbon ko ang first numero 5, second numero 9, ang third number is 3. So, mao kini ang official result for 11